Hey guys, today's video is going to be my April Boxycharm unboxing. I am super sick at the moment. That's why my brightness is turned because I just look a hot mess and I sound a hot mess. But my Boxycharm just came in the mail and I wanted to show you guys. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is the best monthly subscription service ever. $21 a month, totally worth it. The first thing that I noticed is that they changed the card this month and it's like a little different. Okay, so this month's theme is eye candy. First thing is from Adesi. This is the high definition liquid lipstick. Yes. Mine is in the color, I don't know, I have to open it. See what color I got. I'm hoping it's a nude color. Ah, it is. Okay, so I have no idea what color this is because there's no color on the box or on the little tube itself. So yeah, I have no idea what color this is, but it's a nude color, so yay, it's a color I will wear. See how it smells, even though I really can't smell anything right now. Ooh, do I smell cinnamon? I don't know. This retails for $24, so that alone, you've paid for your box. Okay, next we have something from Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt is, I feel like in this box like every other month, even though I think last month we got something from Dr. Brandt. The Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. Pore Purifying Mask. After cleansing, apply a thin layer. I'm excited to try this. This sounds intriguing. Vacuum cleaner. Ooh. Retails for $47. I am super excited to try this. Vacuum cleaner though, that sounds like it might hurt a little bit. My hair is such a mess. This is what my hair looks like when I don't straighten it. Like I used to have stick straight hair, but then I had 3 kids and I'm pregnant with my 4th and my hair's changed, and now when I don't straighten it, it looks like this, which, you know, could kind of look okay if I attempted to style it a little more, but I didn't. Okay, moving on, we have something from Tarte. This is the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in the color Stunner. Look how pretty that packaging is. Oh, ooh, I'm excited. Retails for $29. Glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. I'm excited for this. Should I swatch it? We'll swatch it. Ooh, that is pretty. You guys probably, oh yeah, there you go. Ooh, that's pretty. I can't smell anything. Why am I attempting to smell? That is so pretty. Next we have the Brow Gal, the Instant Brow Hair Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. So this retails for $22. It is a tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brow. Box is a palette. Like always, this is, what brand is this? ColourPop. This is the My Little Pony eyeshadow palette. Retails for $16. I believe there are like 5 different palettes, like 5 different variations this month, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, pretty much every month you get an eyeshadow palette. I'm trying to think if there was a month where I didn't get a palette. There might have been, but I obviously can't remember. My Little Pony. Did you guys grow up with My Little Pony? I was kind of a tomboy, but I did have ponies. It's cute though. Okay, those colors are pretty. They're very My Little Pony-esque. My final thoughts on the box. Again, amazing box. I will definitely use this eyeshadow palette. I am excited to try this brow stuff. I hate doing my brows, so I need all the help I can get. But yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm excited for this Tarte highlighter. It is gorgeous. I am super excited to try this out, although a little afraid of what it's going to do. And then the liquid lipstick, I'm glad I got a nude color and not a red color. If you guys haven't signed up for Boxycharm, I say this every month. You can still redeem yourselves and sign up this month. I don't think there's a wait list. I will double check and let you guys know in the description box down below. But yeah, there'll be a link if you guys want to sign up. I will link all my other previous Boxycharm videos down below. If you don't believe me, you can go and watch them. I'm gonna go now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.